Pizazz, it's your girl, LAL, Lovely Angel Lady. Today we are taking a look at a human hair unit from the Pizazz store on Amazon. Got another affordable human hair wig for y'all. She comes in this lovely packaging. I love the satin bag, and that's the brochure that they give you. The hair is 100% unprocessed human hair, supposed to be Brazilian. The hair texture is deep wave, and this is a lace frontal wig. You get a little bit of stuff in there, you get lashes, and they gave me a wig cap as well. And just showing you the wig fresh out of the packaging. So this is what you get. That's the frontal area. The 3 odd place combs that I never use on a frontal, and then in the back has a comb, adjustable straps for good and needed security. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace in the back, y'all. But yeah, this chica right here is 14 inches in length, and the density is 150%. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with my ebon tinted lace spray, okay, in medium brown. And I am now using my Tresemme Tress to Hold. It's a 5-level freeze spray, and we're gonna go ahead and get that girl on. And I'm gonna go in with my Gotta Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel, and then I'm gonna go back over that with the Tresemme, the Tress to Hold Level 5 hairspray. It's as good as Gotta Be Freeze spray. I just like it because I have a little bit better aim, but it holds just as good and it smells very nice. So we're gonna get her down, and I'm going to use this rat tail comb just to kind of press the hairline in and make sure that it stays put while I cut the lace, if that makes sense. We're going to use our shears and go in and go back also in with a brow razor, because it helps you kind of trim like with the jagged effect, so that you don't have that moon-shaped hairline. It's a whole lot easier to blend the lace in with your skin when it's not cut straight across, if that makes sense, y'all. So yeah, that's what we doing. Oh, so we got almost all the lace off, and the hair color, y'all, is of course natural, like that natural brown. But I'm going back in with the Tresemme hairspray. Okay, it's basically freeze spray, but I'm going back in with that hairspray just to make sure we lay down the lace flatter so that we don't have any lace sticking up in the front. Okay, we are going to tie it down, but I'm just going ahead and separating the baby hairs in the front. As you see, they're pretty long, but we're going to go back and cut those. Just going to tie her down for a little bit, and I'm going to use 2 wraps for my edges. Now we're just taking that off because we had a little bit of time, and it is laying down nice and flat in the front, just like we like it. We're going to go back in with that brow razor just to trim those baby hairs down some, because they are super duper long. Nobody needs baby hairs that's 3-4 inches long. And we're gonna go ahead and style our edges. I'm gonna be using it's black castor and flaxseed oil Play and Stay 48-hour control, and it's by Eco, which is awesome because I love Eco Styler gel for my natural hair when I'm styling my TWA. But I'm just trying to trim them down a little bit, and I will go in with the shears as need be as I style the little hairs. So yeah, that's the black castor and flaxseed oil Play and Stay 48-hour control. It's alcohol free, no flaking, no buildup. And that's what I was telling you. I'm going to go in with my shears again just to get the baby hairs the way I want them. Sometimes I leave some with a little more length than others depending on how I want them. Now I'm going to go in with the Gotta Be, because that is actually what makes the baby hairs lay down, and I kind of like it. It's kind of like a reinforcer a little bit too, because you know you already applied some around the hairline, but it just really gives you a good secure hold, and it's a windy day, so we need that, you know. Vegas be super windy when the spring is approaching, and in the beginning of the spring, I mean like really windy, like 15 miles an hour, 25 miles an hour, sometimes even 45. So we ain't playing with securing this wig down. Plus it looks more natural, you know, especially when you're working with a human hair wig. But I love the fact that she is a frontal, so she does have some flexibility. And a lot of times when I get the deep wave like this, I go with a shorter length, like a 10 inch, a 8 inch, a 12 inch. But we got 14 inches of hair to work with. So I'm kind of liking that. I'm having fun. This is just water. I put warm water because I did not want to be freezing cold. I get cold super easily. So we're just saturating the hair really, really good, y'all. And you want to make sure you do that so, you know, already when you put product on it, it's going to harden the hair. But all I do after that, after it dries, I just spray some African Royale spray in to break the cast. And then I can swing my hair. I whip my hair back and forth. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, I'm getting her nice and wet. And then we're going to plait in her and get her styled the way we want her. And that's why I have the towel, because I didn't want to mess up my clothes. And sometimes I'll even like film in something else and then change, you know, but we ain't want to do all of that today. So I'm going to do a little side part, nothing too fancy. I'm just using this rat tail comb to create a little small part. Just trying to get a feel for what we doing, y'all. I know y'all like, LAL, what you doing, gal? So, yeah. And we are making sure we missed a few spots, so we're just making sure that all the hair is saturated with water so that all of the hair is, the curls or waves are nice and defined. We're going to use this Tresemme. It's extra hold level 4 mousse, all day humidity resistance. I love Tresemme products, y'all, and this mousse is amazing for human hair wigs. It smells so good, and being that it's a level 4 hold, it's really, really good for defining the curls, giving, you know, some definition. And it gives you that wet look. That's what I like when I'm wearing a deep wave wig. I love that wet look. I like it to stay looking like that all day. And I'm just putting a little bit of Gotta Be, just, you know, towards the front, just to get it to lay a little bit better. And we're also going to go in with our TG Bedhead wax stick, our wax styling stick, just to make sure we lay, you know, the hair down. But we're just trimming the edges a little bit, y'all. We're not really giving her a haircut, just making sure that, you know, some of those ends be like really split and skinny, and it makes the hair look a little bit unhealthy. So I just like to go in and kind of chop those, clean it up just a little bit. And it makes it look like it has more body, more volume, and a little bit more density when you go through and get those ugly ends off of there. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we doing. Yeah. I love the length on this girl. But this is the wax stick, TG Bedhead wax stick. I got it from Amazon. I will put everything below. I always include that in the description box for y'all loves. And I'm going to use my Revlon curling wand to kind of help lay that down just around the part, just so it looks like I have some type of part, so you can tell the hair split. If I wanted to, I could tweeze it, but because it's a frontal and I want to style her in different ways, I don't want to do that. And I got this from Amazon too. I'll try to find the link for this as well. I might already have it included for y'all. But I like it. I do. Gets the job done, if you know what I mean. And this right here is my favorite. It's Bobo's Remy Leave-In Conditioner. Brings hair back to life. Detangle Shine. And y'all know I actually use this in all of my synthetic units just to give them a more realistic feel. And it just makes them more natural, and they have a whole lot more natural sheen. So yeah, we're just going in with that. And it's also going to help the hair not dry as hard and crunchy. So yeah, that's what we're doing, y'all. Just getting her styled up really good. And now we're going to go in with our Kiss. This is our 3D makeup here by Kiss. It's foundation, it's cream to powder, and so I like the way that it shows up, so I always put that in my parts. And I have like a little piece of lint or some mousse that's not dry or something right there, y'all, but that will fix it. I don't want that bugging, y'all. We're not going to leave it like that, I promise. Just kind of, you know, trying to get her right before she dries so that I have her the way I want her. But she's super easy to style. Right now she retails, y'all, for $104.69. Prices are subject to change, so you know, if you want to get her while she's on promo or on sale, go ahead and have at it. But I think she's affordable. She's super cute. I like her. If you like a little bit more density, you know, you might want to get something fuller, but I think she's plenty. I'll show y'all the back and everything so y'all can see, but I think she's good with 150% density for me, especially at a 14-inch length. But I will include the link, the purchase link, down below for y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all found this video helpful. I'm going to show y'all how this chica looks when your girl got her face beat, but we got a little hang time, a little swing. But here we are, y'all. Ooh la la, wee wee. CC. Yeah, mis amores. I like her, especially with my makeup all done. Got our leopard print on. But let me know what y'all think. If y'all have rocked this chick, get down in the comments and chat with your girl. Please share this video. Sharing is caring. Also, subscribe and join the familia if you have not already and your girl loves you. Stay for the pics, y'all. Sit real tight. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next one, mis amores. Your girl loves you. Bye-bye.
Just